People often say the Trinity is a contradiction. 3 cannot be 1.1 cannot be 3. End of discussion. But that statement assumes something very specific and very important about what Christians are actually claiming. So let's slow this down and deal with it carefully. A logical contradiction is not just something that feels confusing. It's when something is claimed to be true and false in the same way at the same time. For example, a square circle. A married bachelor. Something that is both fully A and not A in the same sense. But that is not what the doctrine says. Classical Christianity has never taught that God is 1 and 3 in the same category. The Trinity makes a distinction between what God is and who God is. Christians claim God is one being. God exists as 3 persons. Being answers the question, what something is. Those are not the same category. We already accept this kind of distinction everywhere else. A single corporation can be one legal entity while being made up of multiple persons. Even in philosophy, substance and personhood are treated as different kinds of explanation. Now, none of these examples are perfect analogies, and Christians don't claim they are. They simply show that the concept itself is not logically impossible. It assumes that 1 and 3 must refer to the same thing, but they don't. The Trinity does not say, 1 God equals 3 gods, or 1 person equals 3 persons. It says, 1 divine being, and 3 personal distinctions within that one being. You may think it's wrong. You may think it's false. But rejecting something because you think it's false is not the same as proving it's logically contradictory. Confusing does not mean incoherent. Mysterious does not mean illogical. The Trinity might be many things, but a formal contradiction is not one of them.